What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. I'm back out here to fly again. I got this 650 milliamp hour 1S pack from Crazepony-Power, and we're going to be testing the flight time of that with this Tiny Hawk Freestyle. And I did solder on this XT30 because my aircraft has this XT30. So let's get it. We're going to test the flight time and all. Let's get it in the air. Gotta go to V8 mode. I do have it bottom mounted. Got this little strap on the bottom here. Not gonna have much punch. Not really expecting that from it. But previously I did test the 1S with this thing, and it did have a pretty long flight time. We're only going to do line of sight because this thing doesn't have good range. In fact, my antenna, the tip of it is gone now. Oh, and just to let you guys know something, I hear that these Tiny Hawk Freestyles actually have bad range out of box because of the little receiver antenna for the 5.8 gigahertz VTX. It actually has an antenna supposedly that's not at the correct length. It's supposed to be too long. I'm hearing that if you trim it down to the correct 12 millimeters, I think it is, then this thing should have better reception. And I'm hearing that you can get a lot more range by doing that. But just when I was about to do that mod, I lost my antenna tip. It got chopped off. I'm not sure how it happened, but let's get this thing in the air. So we're on 1S. Let's just look at a punch out, just to look at it. 1S punch out. Pretty docile flyer like this on 1S. Really awesome that you can fly this thing with 1S for the time that you can. You can do a little bit of acro. Oh, I am flying in acro, by the way, and not in angle mode. So you can have some fun with this thing on 1S. If you can have fun with it line of sight, and I'm pretty sure that you can have fun with it in FPV. Oh, I forgot I lost my buzzer on this thing. I'm gonna try to do a mod to switch the buzzer pads on this thing. Hopefully it'll be successful. Hopefully I can do that. Not sure, I never did that before, but I'm thinking that if you can swap the motors to the different pads, hopefully you can do the buzzer pads as well. Not sure how I'm going to be able to catch this thing when it falls, but we're going to do it. How else are we going to test flight time without a buzzer, that is? Do some funnels. Let's see how much punch it has left. About the same. Oh, I forgot to let you guys know that I don't have the stock props on it. You probably noticed that. It has the Gym Fan 2.5 props on it, Gym Fan flash. $25.40s. Let's bring it in close. See if we can see it flashing or anything. Usually that LED inside flashes. It usually flashes at LVC. And it looks like it's losing power. Yeah, that was full throttle there. Let's see full throttle. Full throttle. Didn't go down yet though. These packs come in 4s. There's a 4-pack when you buy these off Amazon. From Crazepony-Power. It's going down. I'm at full throttle now. And it's done. So pretty decent flight time. I'll have the total time up on screen right here for you guys to see. So that's the 650 milliamp hour. It is a high voltage pack, 50C from Crazepony-Power 1S. Thanks for watching.